Division 3 coming up now, okay? Like you, I'm looking at the brackets for the first time here, just kind of weaving through. I saw the show. They need some work. We got a better one here. Division 3 Oakdale, your number 1 seed. Last 2 years, Oakdale made the D3 final, ran into mighty Del Oro both times. That won't happen anymore. Del Oro is so good, they made him go up to Division 2. Gotta love the fielder for Oakdale. You got a wing T team here with Oakdale, and you got a lot of spread teams, a lot of speed. Imagine Sierra, imagine Los Banos, those types of teams that kind of work their field wide. Oakdale's going to open up against Pacheco. Los Banos School playing its first ever playoff game. What a way to be introduced to the playoffs. You're playing probably the premier program as far as history in the southern part of the section. Could be a long night though. Good news for Sierra, number 3 seed. Only question, Anthony Cota. He limped off last night. If Anthony Cota's healthy, Sierra can make a nice little run in here. They're going to win the open against Rosemont. They go to the second round. They're probably going to host Inderkum. Similar type of team, but hey, you're at home. Where I see this shaking down is this. Out of the top part of the bracket, we're going to have Oakdale coming down. Second round, Oakdale-Patterson. That would be a great matchup to see Jordan Lopes throw against that defense. I think in the semis, they're going to run into Cosumnes Oaks. Great wide receiver. That's a trap game for Oakdale because that receiver is just awesome. Oakdale doesn't have anybody who can guard him. Bottom half of the bracket, much as I like Sierra 3, Vista Del Lago's a 2, I pick an upset down below. Inderkum number 6 in the final against Oakdale.